guess I could start a match. I've warmed up enough. She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. I said no, my eye, but do you mean I am the one? Alright. Damn, I love this decal. Looks freaking fresh. Frickin' frosh. 2 with little boost. Doesn't have very much option with the control there. Had to go for him. Oh, sniz! Oh, wow, teammate really took his time on that one. Let's see what he can do. There you go. You know what? At least teammate saw the vision. Oh, snap! Oh! Detrimental! He missed the shooting opportunity, but he saw a new opportunity of his own. Oh my god! Thanks. Forgot about that. I'm bad with responding. Because if this game is any good, it's because of its respondingness. Yeah. Go long! That's right. Oh, you don't have boost. I shouldn't have came back all the way back here. Slow it down a little bit. I'm gonna wait. Woo! The time don't you ever come around here! You wanna see your face, you better disappear! Oh, you got my way, man! When you totally didn't mean to? Oh, I probably could have gone for that, huh? I probably could have done something. Bazinga! Well, I knocked him. That's enough for me. I'm happy with that. Oh, yeah. That's okay, teammate. Zoink! That's not okay. That's the opposite of okay. Woo! Come on, baby! What you got? You got nothing on me. Got nothing on me. You can't do anything. Damn, he did something. You got it? Oh, I hesitated, but that was cool. That was kind of a good setup. Not the best, but it was kind of good. Come on, honey! Woo! Shit! Oh, teammate got demoed, didn't he? Yeah, he's gone from existence. Yeah, he did. Damn. Okay. I also forgot to turn on my mods of Bakas so you can see my control layout and settings and all that jazz. Somewhere over the what the fuck? I didn't think he had it in him to hit that. What the jump was that, teammate? What was that? What was that jump, my boy? Homie! Home slice! No. Knocker away. No. Hello. Yeah, he was definitely gonna beat me to that one. And he did. Oh, I can't do anything. Now I can do things. Come on! Come on, Pimp Daddy! Bazoink! Take the boost. See if I care. Hi, teammate. Oh man! Every time I go for a ground pinch, my teammate, is taking it. Not just with this teammate, but like literally everyone else in existence.
Hey.
See, he tried to take it. I didn't even commit to it completely. He stole it from me too. He stole the goal from me. I'm surprised I didn't get bumped by that dude. Oh! Okay. Teammate, can you go? Nope, you are not gonna go. Oh shit! Wow, that was a very unfortunate series of events. See, I can see he does not have possession, so I'm gonna go up. Kinda knock it that way. Boom! There we go. I lost possession. That was up for him to take it, and he did. Bazinga! Opposite. Woo!
Oh my
What's up,
God, bro.
baby?
Oh, hell no, man. What the
I have no idea how I missed that. Have I not warmed up enough? Yeah, it's an easy save. I guess not. That would have been a wild save if you got that. There we go. That teammate wasn't that bad. Just a couple mistakes here and there. Oh man. No one wants to beat it. Done my body, bam, but don't bobby head, doesn't matter, boom, doodle, by dud beater, dud beater, dud beater. Oh, she is. We all good, homie. Oh, daddy, father, mother. Woo! Totally didn't just screw it up on purpose last second. Living the vida loca. Upside up, inside out. Come on, baby. Oh, damn. I hit that still, though. Sorry, teammate. I didn't realize you were rotating back. Oh, jeez. There we go, there we go, there we go. Nah, dog. No, 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 no. Woo! Shit! I'm losing it here! Teammate, why didn't you go for that? If it... oh, man, I'm controlling this like a mofo. That's all it's been. It's just me taking the ball. Wee! Uppy. Shit! Yeah, that's what I meant. Hell yeah, direct shots are my weakness. You play with the letters in the truth or dare. The fire's in the ass and the words are really clear, so beat it. Shimona? Ah, direct hit, that's not that great. Bazinga! Give me this! Gimme. Oh yeah, you right. Oh, sorry, teammate. I should have accounted for you. But I didn't. Oh, sniz. Woo! Bit risky. I thought he was gonna come and demo me. Maybe he tried! Oh no! Oh no! Yes. No. Still not ideal. Oh, I can fake it. I can piss in it. Just real quick. Damn it! He caught it. I don't want any part of it now. Teammate, why didn't you get boost sooner? Oh, sniz. Oh my god. Okay, how are you not dead? Disappointed in my asshole. Did I say teammate, how are you not dead? How is that one guy? How did that guy keep freaking position? 9. Come on. Hit the corner, but come on. Teammate, I'm literally here. Homie. Alright. Gotta adjust to their heckin' playstyle, which I don't understand, never will, never want to. Ah! Woo! That was a tight one. That was a tight one. Ugh! It smells like crime. Oh shit, that's crime. That's terrible. What? Of course. I've never. Cheating is like a whole nother mechanic to learn in on itself. Sorry, teammate, I needed that. Oh, no, come on. 9! Denied. Yeah, he's leaving it. Damn it, I wanted the boost at the same time. Oh, this teammate. I didn't hear him at all. Why? 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 Why backflip? Oh, damn, he touched it. I hate backflipping accidentally. Literally worse than anything in the world. That was a terrible angle. My boost. I guess I'll take this too. Oh, I don't know what you expected me to do. No. Ah! Get out of here! Oh, sneeze. Oh. Damn. Epico save! Teammate! Oh shit, well, that's it. Don't ever! Ah! You sack of rice! Ow! Got me killed and everything. Oh. Son! Bam! How come the opponents literally always cheat? Like, they literally always cheat. Hi, how you doing? I'm more fine with you taking that ball just because I didn't have really any boost. Let me win a 50! At least once in this 1 century. I would love it. Oh, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Woo! Nope! Oh, I didn't bump him. That would have been sick. Sorry, teammate. You just took a little too long. There we go. Oh, snap. Oh, teammate's a little back. Oh. Teammate's a little... Oh! There we go. Take it, take it. Yeah! Fake! Oh! Oh, hot, wet, spongy! It hit the ceiling. I hate it. I hate that it hit the ceiling. Oh! It was such a... Oh, shit. What the heck happened? Wow. Teammate just wouldn't rotate back. I missed? I don't see how that works. How'd I miss that? How did I not hit it? What? I don't know where my other jump went. It freaking gown. Let that go up a little bit. Boing! Alright. Well then. Oh. Are they not... Okay, they have to be faking, right? They're pretending, right? Because now they're partied up, but they're toxic to each other now. It's already one 10-year-old thing to be toxic in general. Teammate, you good? Teammate, you good, dog? What's going on? You stopped. You literally stopped. You probably could have pre-jumped it off the wall at least. But you stopped. You gave up. Why? So now you're gonna let these toxic children be toxic to you? That's too high. That's redonkulous. That is redonkulous. Ow! I don't know where he is. There he is. Come on, middle. Whoa! I'm getting this before you can. That's not in. Yeah, you back off. Buddy! Whoa! I don't know how he hit that. I'll sit on the ground. Boing! Teammate's not gonna go for that again. Oh, you damn it! Oh! Teammate's not gonna shadow defense, I'm just gonna boing! Or he was shadow defending, but he wasn't challenging! Come on, father! Oh, jeez, Nope, that's not happening. Get out of here! Okay. I might be being a little too aggressive here. Nice. Oh, sniz. Let's go. Nice. God damn it, teammate. And what am I supposed to sit here and defend with? Nothing! I got nothing! Oh, ah! Being thrown around like a freaking dog toy! teammate, I swear. He's right behind me! Why? Why were you behind me and not middle? Oh my gosh, dude! Why do you do that? Why do teammates do that? Oh my god! LOL! Nah, I don't trust that. I'm gonna trust it. Yeah, I shouldn't have trusted it. At least I understand the assignment that teacher teammate gives me. Doesn't mean I'm gonna learn shit from this assignment. Oh, sniz. Oh, sniz. What the hell? What going on? How the hell did we get one freaking goal off of these dudes? Or from these, in these dudes? There, teammate. Now you're not oh so behind me. Ah, I didn't want to hit it that hard. That was bad. But it's fine. I don't know what's going on in the chat right now.
Come here, baby.
Hi, teammate. Did you literally not see me there? Did you literally not see me right on the freaking ball? Even with 0 boost. I'm pretty sure he had 0 boost too. Oh, damn. I bumped him. Do something cool, teammate. I'm trusting you or whatever. Damn it. Ah. Well, that was a messy match. Here I go again on my own. Mama left me out in the streets. Bada beat my meat. Yeah. I'm not gonna cheat. Screw that. No. Good thing I didn't. Give me my precious. Thank you. Wow, he just left it. He just left it all for me. I mean, I appreciate it. Woo! Ah! Didn't think he'd challenge so soon. Oh, sniz. Hot damn. What a hard shot. Yeah, teammate should have that one. Oh no, he's dead. There you go, teammate. Oh jeez. Woo! Oh, right in front of him. That works. Very nice. Very nice. Ah, very nice. Damn it! I wanted to slide into that Pill's DMs. Didn't work. A little far away. Yeah, I was a little far from that too. I'm going straight back. Screw this. Oh, teammate, I don't know about that one, Chief. Yeah. Yeah, you kind of set me up bad on that one. Oh, you could have caught it. You could have caught it. You didn't have to jump. You didn't have to jump at all. Come on, homie. Come on, man. Okay, that was... Yeah. Come on. Come on. Little noggin over there. I'll take this here. Teammates right on my ass for some reason. I was totally not gonna save anything had that been the situation that my ass was in. Ow! Around the world, around the why? Around the world. Ah! I just want to play. Oh my god. Oh snap! I did not expect the bumping. Oh my god. Fuck. Oh my fucking god! That could not have been more chaotic in the slightest. Yep. Boing. Is it? Are you? Is he pissed now or some shit? Well, I mean, I am now. Is he pissed at me or some moronic thingy? Do something cool, teammate. Alright. Oh. Man, all you shits going for demos. Freaking grow up. Wow. Hi, teammate. Ow! I feel like I'm suffocating. Teammate, rotate, you fuck. You know what? Maybe I just won't go. I'm just gonna be thrown around. That's all I've been doing in this damn game. Oh! 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 Teammate. Ah! How many times have I been demoed? Like 8 times? Probably not that many, but it feels like it. That was way too weak. Holy shit. There you go, teammate. Rotating back and let's just save things like that. Teammate, go, please, for the love of Jesus. For the love of all that could be white. I almost feel disgusted. Wow. We're lucky that worked. At this point, we're lucky that that worked. Oh, shit. Man, that hit the curb and it whacked me out. Oh. Come on, honey bunches, yeah. I hate everything. Oh. What do you mean, go for it? What you talking about? Oh, did you mean cheat? Because Lord knows I wasn't gonna do that. Man, teammate, you need to fake it. Man, dog, you need to fake that shit. Yeah, I was still there, dude. Hit me up! Dab me up! I see you have no boost, that's why I'm going up. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Oh! That couldn't have been wetter. That shit was wet! Made 0 progress!